Hello and welcome back. Now today I'm going to be doing a review over some tools. Now everybody uses tools, but no one likes spending money on tools that don't work. So what we got here is some OEM tools for professionals. Rear axle puller set and bearing puller. Now there's good and bad reviews on Summit Racing about this tool, and since we're replacing the axle bearings in our rear end, figured worth a shot to try out. Now, the part number is 27202, and we're just going to give this little tool a shot. First look, here it is. It's a slide hammer puller basically. Now the reviews I read were didn't work, too complicated to use, slide hammer shaft was not long enough in order to properly strike in order to pull the bearings out, etc. Now one of those reviews was on the General Motors 10-bolt rear end, which we're about to try it on. Takes a little effort, but it works. So for $73, $74, compared to the other price of the other ones, didn't seem to take too long. Of course, shattering an old bearing is not really hard to do. Not sure if they've ever been replaced on this truck, but there it is. There it is. There's our review over this tool set. It's the rear axle puller, bearing puller. Now I've only used it to pull the bearings out of a 10-bolt so far. It worked good, and that was kind of what I was hesitant on buying this set because it was cheaper than the other ones, and the reviews I were reading were bad against when they were trying to use it on a GM 10-bolt rear end. But I went ahead and bought it anyway, just in case the person really didn't know how to use the tool or anything, or maybe they just had bad luck. And I'm glad I did because it worked for what I was doing. Now I haven't tried to do anything else like the hook or the axle puller itself, but for pulling bearings it seems pretty easy to use. Now as always, I hope this helped all you out, and thanks for watching.